Hi guys, Unomusa Lona.
Mkhwenyana Sbu.
We want to say thank you to everyone for coming. Imvula yimbi, but people made their time. They made a way to come see us and be with us on this joyous day. Silani namhlanje because of a lot of people that are here with us, our parents, each other. Thank you so much guys for coming. Umphakathi wonke, they came through. Basiphethe kahle, kumnandi.
Sisuka Nkwanyana silethe ibizo kwaMbutho uSibusiso umndodana wethu umndodana wabhuti wami uChris siphatheke kahle impela kakhulu kwaMbutho na basiphathe kahle nathi futhi sibaphathe kahle ngoba konke abebekucelile sikuphathile akukho la bekhala khona.
And I know very well you're not doing this because o batla ho aha motse wa ha family holo and ra la busetsa.
Thank you to MCE Media.
MCE Media rocks.
For not disappointing, from our invitations right through to our photos, right through to now at this moment. You guys have been professional. Everything has been amazing. Siyabonga kakhulu guys. Kwande and inenze nakwabanye.
Action.
Hi, congratulations to Spusis and Nomusa. The wedding was awesome. We really enjoyed ourselves, right, babe?
Yeah, we did.
We wish you many, many, many years of happiness and laughter and pure joy. Peace.
Today, we're at Gwandengezi, which is located within Pinetown. Behind us, we're witnessing Umembeso. This was a very, very, very good ceremony. The people around here actually treated us very, very well. As you can see, the color of the day is actually red. With this red color, we're actually seeing that all the happiness and all the joy and all the blood of the clan of the two clans, coming together within this particular ceremony. All of this was actually made possible due to the love and care that they both have for each other. The event actually did go well, even though the weather is doing some other things to us, but that doesn't really matter now, does it, in love? With that said, we've had a very nice day. We've enjoyed ourselves very, very much, and we hope that this marriage to be actually goes as planned. Well, as planned is actually as well as the ceremony itself. It's been very great, Gwandengezi. We've had a very good time as well. Thank you.